How to fix Stalker 2 crash reporter and rule process has crashed UE-Stalker 2 error. First step, open run and type the following text. CLEANMGR. Click OK. Select the drive. Click OK. Select the files you are going to delete. If you are not aware of the files means you need to click view files and verify the files. After click OK, click delete files and wait for some time. Next step, search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters and check the drivers present. Once checking after, you need to go to the browser, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on your device, you can check it and download and install it. Then move on with next method. Right click, click update driver. These are the two methods to update the driver. Next step, open Steam. Click it, click settings. Click in-game. Enable the Steam overlay while in game is there. You need to disable it. Once disabling after, close it, then move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click graphic settings, click advanced graphic settings and click the hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. If it's disabled means you need to enable it and check. If the problem still remains, then you need to revert back it. Then move on with next step. Open task manager. Click performance tab and check the CPU memory and disk usage. If it's hitting 100% means the error will occur. So check it. Once checking after, click startup apps. If more number of startup apps you are using means the error will occur. So you need to disable the startup apps which you are not using. Important thing, don't disable the inbuilt application. If you are not aware of the application means don't disable it. Then move on with next step. Open this PC. Right click C drive. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned. Close it. Restart the device. Thank you.